Alright, so we got it all installed now. Everything's tightened down. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool. I think it'll be nice, like I said earlier in the video, during the summer or when we go mudding, keep some mud out of the cab a little bit, stay a little bit dry on the inside, and like I said, we'll be able to keep the heat in. Yeah, we'll find out more next weekend when we go out playing, how well it actually holds out, but the install is super easy. It's all Velcro strapped. You just kind of one after another work your way down, and you got double-sided sticky Velcro that you just put on the machine. So you just bam, and like to open and shut it, you just clip, do that, and then you're in. So that covers the whole upper door section, and yeah, I'm excited to put it to use. I mean, might get a little hot during the summertime, but at least, you know, you can always undo the window and still have it opened up and everything. So there's that bright side. And then just like that, you're done. And to roll and undo the window, it's just 2 Velcro straps. You just bam, bam, and it all unrolls. And then you got a zipper here.